In this tutorial I will show you how to animate any object along a custom path. I have an object here. I want to animate it along a custom path. Make sure nothing is selected. Go up to the pen tool. Make a path using pen tool. Now I'm going to have the airplane animate along this path. Now we need to open up the Shape Layer tab. Go into the Contents. Go into the Shape. Go into the Path. We need to make sure the path is selected. Copy it. Now select the graphic layer and hit P for position. And select the position parameter and paste those keyframes right into here. We need to change its orientation. Right-click on the layer. Go to Transform, Auto Orient. We need to select the second option. It should rotate the airplane along the path. If not, we need to rotate it manually. Now we are done. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials.